Hi, I am Gaurav Shisodia. I am Country Manager for Payoneer India. I take care of go-to-market efforts for India. In my opinion, SMBs in cross-border trade have inherent advantage. The survival rate is 2x, they don't rely on single market, and the margins are much better. SMBs need to pay attention to global trade, as the next wave of demand will not come from where you are selling today, but from where global trade is moving next. SMBs need to be agile. SMBs need to diversify to be successful in long run. With disruptions in supply and demand markets globally, I feel there are two large opportunities for Indian SMB. One, global companies are looking for new markets to build more supply, and Indian SMBs can really win there. The second large opportunity is the forced one. Because of US tariffs, SMBs have to look beyond US. EU, Middle East are two large markets SMBs should be looking at. I think to start with, from short to mid-term perspective, US will still remain our largest market, but very interesting data to look at. With tariffs, SMBs are forced to look beyond US. Interestingly, US GDP is $29 trillion, whereas Europe is as big as $20 trillion. Middle East and North Africa is significant at $7 trillion, whereas our exports are $880 billion. At Payoneer, customers are talking about moving to EU and MENA. Both these markets also has large Indian diaspora with 3.7 million and 11 million respectively. I think there are three large challenges one should be aware of. One is understanding the local buyer. What do they value? What do they buy? What payment modes do they prefer? The second one is compliance, so that you're on the right side of the law, you don't get blacklisted. And the third one is how do you get paid without your margins being eaten away by FX. At Payoneer, we see very clear payment behavior differences. US buyers are card-led and prefer frictionless checkout. European buyers rely on bank transfers and value strong compliance. This is why localizing payment method is critical. SMBs who adapt to regional preferences see much higher conversion and repeat purchase. We at Payoneer see SMBs succeed when they begin with cross-border, digital-first approach. They collect payments globally without setting up an entity. They test demand on marketplaces and with partners, and once they have a product market fit, they can scale. Don't chase a corridor, build the ability to pivot to the next one. My single advice is stay agile and diversify. Don't depend on one corridor or one platform. Build multi-corridor collections and multi-market presence.